So checking out our channel here. It's going to be maybe a repair video on this particular unit. This is a Gallagher M150. It's an older model. They came out with this model in 2005 and discontinued it in late 17. This particular unit is a 2007. See the number next to my finger, 07142. Blah, blah, blah. 07 is the year it was built. 14 is the week of that year. And the number 2 was the day of that week of that year. So it was built on the second day of the 14th week of 2007. There's stuff going around the inside of this thing, so the note on it says green light flashing, no shocking coming out. Well, it shouldn't be a green light flashing. It has two lights, a green light that's solid. It may flicker, but it won't flash. Just a power light, basically, is all it is. And then there's a red light that flashes with every pulse. Just tell you that thing's working, but it really didn't tell you much. There's our information for you. So, not a lot of parts available for this model. I think you might be able to get boards for them, but boards are almost the same price as what a new one goes for. Or the M160 is what took this one's place, and I don't know the going rate for those. Are $150, something like that, for a 1.6 joule unit. So we're going to pop this apart and see. Oh shit. Well, this one's maybe done for. Transformer stuck in that. There it is. See, it's arced and broke. This is the original transformer. They used to. Oh, look at that. See them burnt there too on the primary side. So probably needs a new transformer, which can't get anymore. Gallagher makes the transformer in house, and you can't find a replacement. They stopped making the transformers for this model about back in like 2023 or 2024, 2022 time frames, a few years ago. And this transformer made by Gallagher in house, and this plugs in right there, and then you have the outputs over here. But you see, it's got 4 contact points. There's a double primary. I think these two are tied together, and these two are tied together, or it's this one and these two, whatever it is. Anyways, there's dual primaries on it, and no other brand out there does that on stuff. Gallagher only did it on about 4 or 5 models. Most brands have a single primary on the input side. But what else is done? It's burnt up. That contact there is burnt up where the transformer was plugged in out on there. Burnt up that one. Burnt up this one. You got these 2 contact things here for the fence and ground for the transformer plugs onto. You can see it's burnt that one almost completely off. It's supposed to look like this. And it's burnt it off there. So he would need a new transformer, which they don't make anymore. And we could probably find a junk board and steal a couple of these things off and put them on there. But there's no point of going that deep when you can't get a transformer for it anymore. Even if you could find a transformer with a dual primary, once you get this board in here, I mean, you've only got a little bit of room right there. And then, of course, the case sits on there. All this plastic built into the case. I mean, there's only so much room to stick anything in there anyways. So we're just sitting like this. Of course, it's broken and burnt and everything ain't going to fit right. And you close it back together. But, yeah, this one's not going to be able to be fixed, unfortunately, because you don't make a transformer for it anymore. Gallagher makes that in-house. They make a lot of their own stuff in-house. And when they discontinue a part, unless there's ways to retrofit, you're basically screwed. You just got to buy a new one. But this thing's pushing 18 years old, so he's had it for a while. And see, this board, is it original? 07 board, or 07 housing, the case. Board's got a focus. '07, so it's original board. Transformer's original as well, only because the replacement ones have a big sticker on the side with the part number on it. Factory ones, when they put them in, when they build these things, had just a single little sticker on the side like this. So this is a factory. This thing is all original, 18 years old, and finally quit. I imagine lightning got a hold of it. So if lightning had messed this thing up, it'd probably still be running. So, but you know, things happen. Lightning hits him, but he got 18 years out of it before it finally quit. I don't know when exactly he bought it. Maybe he got 17 years or 15 years if it's on the shelf for a while. But even then, I mean, how many units you buy today from some other brands that don't last that long? You know, you get like 4, 5, 8 years, maybe 10 if you're lucky. So, but there's a piece of the transformer there. But I don't know. Well, I'll call the customer up and give them the bad news. I think I talked to him before they sent it off anyways. Tell them, like, well, there's a chance we could fix it. There's a chance it's trash. And unfortunately, the thing's trash. I mean, if he doesn't want it back, we'll probably keep the knobs off the thing, maybe the terminal bolts. But the rest of the case is going to go right in the trash. So I can't do nothing else with it. So, well, thanks for checking us out. Until next time, we'll see you guys later on. Look and see if there's anything else burnt. Maybe we'll keep the board. Maybe the board's still good. Put it in a little box of random boards, and you can keep it for spare parts or something like that. See what happens. Alright, well, until next time, see you guys later on.